All right, guys, so today we have a special one for you. As you guys know, right, sometimes as a truck guy, you get a little hungry. The problem is that when you got some big old thick boy 14 wides, you maybe don't always fit through the drive-through, and well, we know that the world is, gone to more drive-throughs, so it can be a little bit of a challenge. But we wanted to see just how challenging it can be, so that's why today's video is gonna be all about truck versus drive-through. Let's get it. All right, guys, and helping us out today, of course, are the folks over at Archon Off-Road. So they hooked us up with this set of scratch and dent wheels. They're a 22 by 14 Archon Lincoln. So that's gonna feature that nice directional spoke design, a little bit of concavity, infinity lip. It's a really beautiful wheel, looks super great. And around them is this set of 305/45 R22 Toyo Proxy ST3s. Obviously a super familiar tire. I've had these on the Duramax a bunch in the past. Being a 305/45, they do have significant sidewall stretch here. We're talking, it's about 12 inches wide on a 14-inch wheel. So you have a good inch of sidewall stretch on both sides, which means we're gonna have absolutely no lip protection. So depending on how this goes, this could get pretty ugly pretty quick. A reminder before we jump into it though, if you guys need wheels or tires for your truck, a lift kit or anything like that, we have it all, CustomOffsets.com. That's enough out of me. Let's go take this thing through some drive-throughs. Up first, we have the Taco Bell. Now this one's pretty mild. There's no curb on the other side. You'd have to try pretty hard to mess this one up. But I think that we're gonna be okay. We're just gonna swing her around. I'm gonna back her up a little bit because 14 wides, no turn radius. It's fine. Hey, can I get just a large Pepsi, please? Sounds like a plan. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
We just got free soda. All right, here we go.
What does he like to drink? What do you like to drink? We're gonna give it to you all for free.
Wow.
What do you want to drink?
Ryan's a Mountain Dew guy.
I'll take. You got Sprite? Sierra Mist?
All right.
Hell yeah. Dog, we just got free sodas. That was super cool. All right, first test done, no issues. Now we're gonna go to something a little bit more difficult.
Old school McDonald's.
This is the old school. This is the OG styled McDonald's. This, I'm a little more nervous about this one. So yeah, this one is pretty tight. You guys will get to see it here in just a moment. There's a lot of curb. That is a massive boat. Holy shit. I'm sorry, it's a big boat. Behind us, dude, look at it. All right, we're gonna wait for this car to come. So yeah, we're at the old school McDonald's, got the old golden arches. We're gonna go through the drive-through here. Like I said, this lady's getting gas. So that one's going to McDonald's. You're gonna be super confused like Ryan's just standing on the island, but oh, hello. Be my friend. Hostiles. All right, I think I can tactfully do this. I think we can swing her wide. So my goal here is I'm gonna pull it in there. I'm gonna kind of swing her around a little bit. We're gonna see what we can do. And then I think we'll be okay, but I'm nervous. Oh my God, dude, there's no way. There's no way. There's no way. While we wait here, this is a really good time to tell you guys to stay tuned until the end of the video because we're actually gonna be doing a giveaway. It's gonna be super cool. You're gonna wanna check it out. So stay tuned to the very end. I promise it's worth it. I have like anxiety right now. And I know that I shouldn't because we literally bought this, we got this set of scratch and net wheels just for this reason, but holy f am I scared. Oh. Oh my God. Can I just get a double cheeseburger, please?
Just one double cheeseburger?
Just one.
Alright, your total will be $337.54.
Awesome, thank you.
You're welcome.
Dude, I am so close on this side. There's literally just rubber everywhere on the curb from people with normal wheels, hitting the curb. Oh, look at that. We made it.
Yeah, we'll get your next step.
Oh, cow. All right, so we're going to swing this super wide and we're going to back into it, right? Because this one is kind of sharp, but I think that it's relatively straight. So I think if I just back up into it here, we should be okay. We should really just title this video, "Watch Dustin lean out of his out of his driver's door and try and drive his truck for 5 hours." Well, yeah, we're making a YouTube video. Thank you, have a good day. Test number 2 complete. All right, so challenge number 3, the one and only Panda Express. This one is a little bit more intense than the last couple were. This one's got curbs on both sides. It's a little narrower. It goes all the way around the building. I don't know if we're gonna make it out of this one alive, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna try. Whatever you do, dude.
Oh my God!
There is no way. There's no way. There's no way. The worst part is, it's not gonna be my fault. Like, I'm locked right now and I have nothing.
Oh,
I think we did it. I think we did it. Did we do it? We got it, didn't we?
Yup.
Son of a bitch. All right, hang on. I'm gonna back up because there's actually like cars coming. The worst part is I think we're gonna get the backside too. Oh. Ah. Hey, can I just get an order of crab ragoons, please?
Of course, any sweet and sour sauce?
Yes, please.
Will that be all for you?
That's it.
All right, let me do a quick review with the other thing.
Thank you so much. Well, we'll get our crab ragoons here, or rangoons, as Cody Lawson calls them, and then we'll get out of here, which is going to be equally as awful. And then we'll assess the damage from there.
Just send it. Okay, don't send it. Oh no!
Yikes.
Oh God!
Is it bad?
Pretty bad,
Is it bad?
but it's pretty great.
Oh no. All right, I'm gonna go park. Let's see what's going on here. Oh no. Okay. All right, it's okay. It'll buff. Maybe. That was not good.
To the next one.
All right, guys. So everyone knows there is one drive-through in your town that is absolutely the worst, and we are there. This is the other Taco Bell location right by the shop, and it is, by all definitions, the gauntlet. It is the freaking gulag of wide wheels. Like, Jared walks through this drive-through because he will not drive the Bronco through it because it doesn't fit. And we're about to take the truck through it. To go around the last left before you get back in the parking lot. It is literally the dumbest design I've ever seen in my life. And I'm about to drive a truck on 14 wides with a narrow track width kit, which means I have no turn radius, and we already curbed a wheel. Here goes nothing. I don't know. Can we make bets as to what side we curb first, the left or the right?
I'm gonna say left.
I think it'll be the right. I can see the left. I can't see the right. Oh my God, that's so close. See, like this is what kills it. Every time I'm at lock and I just, although I don't think I curbed it there. I think it was just tire.
That might have just been tire.
The problem is, how are we gonna make that corner down there, bro? Like, how? So the first corner, not that bad, right? Look at this guy's in a stock truck. This guy's in a stock truck and he can't, like, is he gonna back up? Is he gonna jump the curb? Look at that, he almost curved it. It's a stock truck. Ah! We're gonna get one taco from here. Squeaky, squeaky. Hey, can I just get one soft shell taco, please?
Anything else?
That'll do it.
Did you want that as regular or supreme?
Regular, please.
Any sauce packets?
No, thank you.
Okay, it's gonna 178 is the window.
Thank you so much. The damn lady needed to know my firstborn child's name, social security number, phone number, address, date of birth. Let's have a little dialogue here, right? What is the plan of attack? So we could shoot wide and try and jump the curb on the outside, or do we try and cut it and hop the curb on the inside? I don't know what makes more sense. I think I'm gonna try and shoot it wide, back into it, and see if I can't swing it around. Ultimately, we literally just curbed the wheel. I was swinging it out to jump into it, and we just curbed the fuck out of that driver's wheel. Ah! Well, at this point, that right wheel's curbed, right? So let's just bumper, back her up like this, and then we're gonna hop this inner median. Ready? Watch this. Watch this. It's gonna be magical. It's gonna be magical. See that? Because now look at that. Now we're on enough of an angle that there's some sidewall protection. Up we go. Look at that. We made it. The worst part is we're only 50% of the way through the drive-thru. We haven't even got our taco yet.
And the guy in the stock truck thinks we're crazy.
Bro, that noise, the sound of curbing wheels to me is like nails on a chalkboard. It is literally the worst thing I've ever heard in my life. All right, here we go, Austin. Now here's where it gets tricky. We have to come off this curb with enough angle. We're gonna curb that back one. There's no way. I think we made it. We'll have to look. I think we made it on that rear tire though. It was so close though, coming down off the angle, because it was almost parallel. Awesome, thank you so much. My God, I like went to go put the food in the back. At this point, that wheel's so I'm just gonna send it. There's a curb. It's like a curb feeler at this point. Oh, so close. All right, let's go park this thing. Let's assess the damage now that we've royally dickered a wheel. Maybe two, I'm not sure. We're gonna find out. All right, guys, let's take a look. So let's go all the way around the truck. This one looks good. We made it okay. There's a couple of scratches on that. Again, that one's a scratch and dent wheel. We knew that going into this, which is why the homies over at Archon hooked us up with these, right? So we didn't feel so bad if we banged them up. Let's go to the back one here. So this one looks good. Again, a couple nicks in it, but I don't think those are from us. I'm fairly confident that those were in it when we got them. Let's go to the bad side. We're clean, we're good. I thought there's a little dirt. I thought that we curved it here, but it looks good. This lip looks good. I swear to God, before, you could not put a dollar bill between this lip and the curb. But this one, on the other hand, yikes. So as you guys can see, we obviously caught a little bit of the curb. Look at the concrete dust come out of it here. We caught the curb with this one. Obviously the drive-through one on this one, of course, as you can tell. But I gotta admit, I was pleasantly surprised at how well this thing did. I really thought that it would be much worse than it actually was, and we did pretty well. So the good news is, if you have wide wheels, nice wide boys like this, you can in fact go through a drive-through, although you do have to be a little bit picky, right? This Taco Bell obviously was a little bit of an extreme case, and we're definitely seeing the results of that. I mean, this isn't even like primer, this is bare metal. It is right down to the aluminum. It looks like somebody took a grinder to it. So with that, thank you guys so much for tuning in. We mentioned before that we'd have a giveaway for you. This is where you can get entered to win. So we're going to give one of you guys this Lincoln right here that is curbed from the video, signed by the entire team. To get entered to win, it's really simple. All you gotta do is comment down below your favorite part of the video, and then also share this video with a friend, right? Make sure they can take a look at it, get entered to win as well. We're gonna draw a random winner over the next week and give this wheel away, ship it right to your door for free. And like I said, all the guys are gonna sign it as well. So with that, if you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, performance parts, accessories, all sorts of stuff, we have it at CustomAutoSets.com. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And with that, we'll see you on the next one. Peace.